Welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. Today's session will last 10 minutes and we will be focusing on breathing sensations. Please find a comfortable position, whether it be sitting or standing. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes or you can maintain a gaze a couple of feet in front of you. Let's begin. We will breathe through our nose and out through our nose. We will try to become aware of the speed of our breath. How deep are you breathing? Don't try to control your breathing. Just become aware. The purpose of focusing on our breath is that it allows us to remain in the present. Take note of the air entering through our nose. Can you feel it? It is natural for thoughts to enter our mind. If you have thoughts or when thoughts enter your mind, notice the thoughts and then bring your attention back to the breath. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't judge yourself. It's natural for thoughts to come into your mind. That's just a part of this. Thoughts enter. I acknowledge the thoughts. And I bring my awareness or my attention back to breathing in through my nose and exhaling through my nose. Notice air entering your nose, traveling down your throat, filling your lungs. Every time my lungs fill, my chest expands. Feel the air go traveling back through the throat, out through the nose. On the exhalation, and remember the purpose of focusing on the breath with this meditation was to keep us in the present moment. And it's only natural for our breath to flow in through our nose, out through our nose. And again, do not be judgmental on thoughts entering. When the thoughts arise, we just move our attention back to our breath. Through practicing this daily meditation, this will get easier. This concludes our 10-minute session for today. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.